We are going to see how to insert curtain walls, louvres, and railings in the architectural model developed with CYPE Architecture. In the Construction Elements group in the Architecture tab, we expand the Vertical Elements option where we will find the corresponding options. To insert curtain walls, we click on Curtain Wall and a window will appear where we can indicate its characteristics. First, we insert a reference. We have two options for the label. Either create a new one or click on the arrow on the right-hand side to use a previously created one. If we want the curtain wall to be added to a certain level, we check the level box. We use the adjustment option to position the wall with regards to the line entered. To the right, centered, or to the left. Next, we define the spacing between transoms and between mullions and indicate the width and length of the transom and mullion. At the bottom, we choose the colour and transparency of each element. After entering their properties, using the left mouse button, we click on 2 points on the model to define the length of the curtain wall, indicating its height by clicking the same button a third time. If the Allows for Dimensions to be defined upon introducing each element button is activated, we can enter the height of the wall directly. We are going to insert a louver by clicking on Louver in the Vertical Elements group. We enter the reference, label, and assign the level. In type, we choose whether we want it with horizontal slats or with vertical slats. Then, in properties, we enter its height, in slats its width, spacing, and in this case its slope, and in mullion the width, length, and spacing. We can choose the colour and the transparency for the different elements. We insert the elements in the same way as the curtain walls. Now let's insert a railing by clicking on the corresponding button in the Vertical Elements group. Once again, we enter the reference, label, and select the level. In the following groups, we indicate the height, the handrail's width and depth, then the spacing, width, and depth of the posts, and optionally, the number of balusters, their width and depth, and the panels if necessary. From adjustment, we position the railing with regards to the line entered, to the right, centre, or the left, and finally we indicate the colour and the transparency of the elements. To draw the railing, we left-click on 2 points on the model. We can draw several consecutive spans of railing. To finish, we right-click with the mouse.